Hey friends, welcome back to another video. This is day 2 of Mombasa Adventures with Simply Emma. I hope that you will enjoy. In the beginning of the video, you saw my morning view. Every time I woke up, that is the view that I saw. God was so good enough to give us a beachfront accommodation, even though we faced issues in the beginning. So for today's adventure, we visited Nguuni Nature Sanctuary. It is also known as Nguu Tatu. So watu wa huko sana sana wanaijua kama Nguu Tatu because I had a difficult moment to explain to my driver that ni Nguuni, si Nguu Tatu. For every person above the age of 10 years, unalipa 400 shillings. For anyone below 10 years, I think ni 200 money to something, and that's for residents. This is a place that you can see and interact with these animals that you're going to see in the video. Also hold picnics, photo shoots, you name it. And as you can see, these animals hazijafungiwa. Kuna ostriches, kuna giraffe, kuna hizo antelopes. These alituambia zinaitwa oren ama ni oryx, kitu kaa hiyo, na kuna nini ingine, other stuff and birds as well. You also get to enjoy nature. You walk around and it's so calm, so serene, and the people here, the workers here are so good. You also take numerous photos as much as you want. By the way, wanahadi wanaku-encourage. We were to go to Hala Park, but Hala Park wamepandisha bei kidogo, and it was a little bit over our budget because 500-600 per person and a child. That was too much. And the interesting thing is these two parks zinaonywa na the same person. Sindio? Wow. Something worth mentioning, it's quite a distance, approximately 1.5 kilometers from the entrance mali unalipia to actually mahali awa wanyama wako. So you will need transport kama tuk-tuk ama boda. That is kama hauna gari. I just remembered that you pay 300 shillings parking fee. So this place that you're seeing on the screen right now, as you can see behind me, kuna tuviti wali mnaweza kaa. That is the place that we held our picnic, or rather our lunch, because tulikuwa very short on time and tulikuwa tunataka kuenda kwa beach. This day the weather was not so good. Tulingangana nayo, kulikuwa kunanyesha, kulikuwa na baridi, hadi tukiwa kwa beach tulinyesha kidogo. So you can bring things, toys ama balls, and you let your children play here, or even hold team building activities over here. It's very okay. And yeah, they allow food, snacks, you name it, because I think also they have a restaurant inside, but you can bring yours. Juices here to kucharge anything, and we brought our food. I took a lot of TikToks. If you can guess the trend I was doing, sema kwa comments. This place made me feel like Mother Nature. Like those earth girls. No, this one, mimi sasa hapa ndio earth girl. Wachana na wale wa chains, but za waist beads and what and long maxi skirts. No, sasa hapa ndio earth girl, because the nature, the pictures, the photos, wow, they came out so beautiful. So something that I would recommend is, because apparently hakuna any more animals, nizo tu apart from kulikuwa pia na tortoise. Ninge recommend you connect this with another activity, because this one is cheap. You can connect it to another activity, or even go enjoy some place ya restaurant kama hamna hizo activities za physical activities. Yeah. Kama kawa kama dawa, mtu ametoka bara, mtu ametoka Juja, alafu niache beach even one day aje. Nilienda beach, nikatokelezea. I put on my swimsuit and I went out. It was so gloomy, angalia the skies, but tulimanage, ataka tulinyeshewa na nikapata a gold because of that. As per usual, you know me and content. I shot more content, more TikTok trends, and I'm so excited. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Simply Emma Official and get the real tea over there. I had such an amazing time. Yani, I could not compare this experience to any other. Also, at the end, enjoy a small sunset clip that I took of the ocean. Nani kama mimi kubarikiwa nayo, grace upon grace. Today's vlog is very short. We have come to the end of it. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'm gonna see you on day 3 and the last one, unfortunately. I love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. See you on the next. Kisses. Mwah.